Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Now, if you own Convex, CVX, then you are in luck today. Look at this new proposal that has just been dropped by KeeperDAO. Now, the draft says to acquire a CVX position. It was written by a few different people. There's quite a few different co-authors in here. But the main proposal is to use a maximum of $40 million of treasury funds to acquire a floor of 1 million Convex. They will use the Convex to stake for high Rook/Tri-Crypto curve gauge yields. They will use the Convex for yield, bribes, and potential coordination with other DAOs. But if you scroll down a little bit here, it says that they've grown their treasury to over 100 million. And in this proposal, we put forth the option of purchasing a significant stake in Convex through the acquisition of at least 1 million and no more than 2 million Convex tokens. We strive to accomplish this within the year. They are aiming for an average price. You see, a maximum of $40 million will be used with a target of 1 million. At a maximum average price of $50 per Convex. So this is like buying Convex. It's like buying a $50 asset at $30 currently, and I think that's why the price has reacted so well to it. It's well because I have a bag of it. Now, what is Convex, right? So people are buying Convex because one Convex token owns an amount of curve tokens, but other people are buying Convex to boost their curve staking. But another reason would be the bribes. Okay, so if you have curve, you can delegate that to a gauge and you can get bribes. Okay, I currently do it to the Magic Internet Money 3 pool, and each week I get about $1,000 in spell token. That's nice, but if I didn't have enough, if I just had a small bag, it would not be worth it. So this is with about 200 and something $1,000 in. If I only had $20,000, I would only get about $100 a week in bribes, and that would not be worth it, because let's see how much it would cost for me to claim this. It costs about $50, so I'd be losing about 25 to 30% each time, which is not really worth it. Now, if I was on Convex and I locked my Convex here, firstly, I would only need to lock it for 4 months instead of 4 years. Secondly, the rewards stack up. So if you come over to the claim section, the rewards actually stack up over time. You can see I haven't claimed them in quite a while because I'm just letting them compound. I'm bullish on the spell token as a whole, and I'm bullish on Convex curve. So it makes pure sense for me to just let them stack up. You can also, so you've got this APR here from the locked Convex, but you've also got these extra incentives, which is nice. But on top of that, you've got Votium. Now, Votium is where you can delegate to, and you get an additional bribe. So if you work this out at 7.5%, and that's for $1,800. So far on Votium, by delegating to that, I've had 70, 75, 430, 1,500, 1,550, 1,300, 1,400. I've had about 1,400 on here as well, so that is almost doubling my expected yield, which is very nice as a complete bonus, which you can again allow to stack up. Now, they have just started a new round for bribes, so if these projects are putting up incentives, USDN just kicked it off with $200,000 incentive. Very, very nice. And DAOs are now starting to take notice of Convex, notice that it's a good opportunity to acquire it while it is this price. I mean, it is still only $1 billion market cap. And if you look at Curve as well, Curve is not much higher than that. Curve is just a $2 billion market cap. Now, these two projects are the backbone of DeFi, in my opinion. I mean, you know, you cannot get better yields in a lot of the places for things like stable coins and such. I mean, 76% on Australian dollars, 69% on Korean won. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy yields. And I am not complaining. I am definitely not complaining. So these two, Convex and Curve, are what I would call the backbone of DeFi. I think that Convex really came in and shook things up when they did what they did and announced what they did. And I think it's really getting the flywheel spinning. So other people are paying attention. So this bot account is avoiding DeFi Sniper by buying small, frequent quantities of Convex. The bot wallet equals $440,000 of Convex, but has been sending and reloading with a counterparty wallet whenever 4 million Convex is reached. So as you can see, it keeps loading up on small-ish amounts of Convex, about 4 Ethereum at a time, so it doesn't trigger the bot that announces it on Twitter. And then eventually, when they get to 4 million Convex, $4 million in Convex, they send it to another wallet. Now the incoming funds is here, but you will see like where the money's coming from, etc. And they say the wallet has transacted with $13 million of Convex so far. Notably, the wallet has evidence of sending ETH to Pantera Capital. Pantera Capital is the first US institutional asset manager focused exclusively on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Interesting. The counterparty then forwards the Convex to this wallet, which contains a total of $127 million in assets, notably $87 million in DYDX. Interestingly, Pantera Capital was a seed investor of DYDX with $14 million invested. So, isn't that interesting? I got tagged in this, so thank you to Suresh. You know, that would somewhat signify that these large funds are, you know, loading up on Convex, trying to do it sneakily rather than just doing big market buy or big whatever. You know, you've got these funds that don't particularly want to be seen loading up. They are just loading up in silence, trying to acquire as much as they can before the inevitable liftoff. Now, I am a big fan of Curve. I am a huge fan. I'm also a fan of Convex. I forget the exact amount of Convex, of Curve owned by one Convex, but I would believe that Convex is still at a good deal in comparison with Curve, so it might be something to look at. Now, these DAOs are acquiring positions, and maybe it's time for you to do so the same. I own Convex. In fact, after this video, I'm going to purchase some more Convex. I'm going to sell off a little bit from one of my positions, the interest-bearing Bitcoin position, that is. If you know, then you know. And I'm going to purchase some more Convex. Now, thank you all very much for watching. If you're not following me on Twitter already, you probably should be. My name is Rex Food Farmer, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.